Hey everybody, TEO from Art Geek Teaching. Today we're going to see if we can mount Uart sanded pastel paper. Coming up. Alright, so I just cut these in half. This is 9 by 12, so this should be a 4.5 by 6. My board is 4 by 5, so it should give me a little bit of a ability to trim the outside. So what I'm going to do is just mount these on here first. Maybe. I want to make sure that I get everything covered. All right. And what I'm using is repositionable 3M Scotch mounting adhesive. This stuff is really, really good for a lot of things. There are some things it doesn't do well with. For example, I would not use it for encaustic. It kind of releases. All right. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm just going to flip those over and use the tool that came with the adhesive and kind of squeege it from the center out, squish it down, give it some pressure. If you don't have the tool, it should come with it, but if you've lost it or whatever, you can just use a catalyst or anything, a credit card, old room card, something like that. All you're doing is putting a little bit of pressure on it to get it to adhere. Okay, now the adhesive is on the back of our Uart paper. This particular paper you can see is 600 grit, but now the double-sided adhesive is on the back of it, so all we have to do is put it on the board. Doesn't really matter which side. Gosh darn it, I meant to move that. Really don't want that on my paper. A really difficult time with my work surface here. That was wax. Okay. Okay, I'm ready to trim those, and then we will move on with our test. Okay, it works best if we have our blade at about a 45-degree angle. Now you don't have to use masonite to mount this on, obviously. You could mount it to any mount board. That would be fine. I just like to have it mounted before I'm working on it. Okay, there we have it. Two nice little test panels ready to roll.